Oh my God!
He asked me last night.
What is happening?
So will you be my maid of honor?
Of course I will.
I don't know what I'm supposed to do.
No, just whatever. Throw the bachelorette party
Yeah.
in the shower and...
Oh my God.
Let's go meet the rest of the bridal party.
Come on. You have to punch it a couple times.
You remember my cousin Rita? They just bought a new house. It is gorgeous.
I wouldn't know. I only see the kitchen and the laundry room and the ceiling in my bedroom. Sometimes the floor.
This is Becca from work.
This is your husband? Oh no, I don't know him. I'm single.
I was so distraught when I was single.
And I'm fine being by myself.
Oh, Becca. This is Dougie's sister, Megan.
You must be Annie's fella.
I'm not, he's not, I'm not with him.
I'm glad he's single, because I'm gonna climb that like a tree.
You have to meet Helen.
You're so pretty.
So cute. Did you come from work?
What are we doing for the bachelorette party?
What about like a princess theme?
Versace meets the gold rush.
I'm thinking tanned gentlemen that swallow fire and wear sarongs.
Female Fight Club. We grease up. Surprise! Beat the crap out of her.
I don't hate it.
Vegas it is.
I had a dream last night that we went down. Oh, God. You were in it. What?
Excuse me, ma'am? Please return to your seat.
She's not great at flying.
I have something that might help you relax.
I'm ready to party!
Oh, yeah.
You should come to Lillian's wedding with me.
No.
Oh, this is some classy.
Jeez, Megan.
I'm sorry, I want to apologize. I'm not even confident of which end that came out of.